Vaccination programs should protect the Indigenous people of this country first, and it hasn't happened. We get our chance today, and I'm really grateful. I am really grateful that some of you are here today to have a conversation about vaccination.
Ko tae mai ngā rōpū me o rātou kara.
We've waited a long time to get to this, so thank you for being here.
Ko tae mai ki te whakarongo ki ngā rata Māori mo te mate korona, te pūtake o te kōrero.
Well, I mean, we just want to be like everybody else out there, you know, we need to be informed about the COVID, understand their language and our own language in terms of the gang communities, allowing them to be informative about it so that they can go home, make those decisions and choices, you know, more at ease, because they know a lot more now that they go home more the wiser.
Wai mari e mātou ki ngā kōrero motuhake no te ariki o Manguru Waikato.
Well, I just think that we can't ignore it now. You know, this affects everybody. You know, it's not specifically just for a certain target sector of the community. Everybody's vulnerable here. And we have to treat it just like anything else in life. It's important, you know, especially for our whakapapa in terms of who we are as people, our future, and what does it look like and who be around. You know, so it has to be an understanding that living is more than taking risks right now.
Pango ko whai whiro ngā tai o ngā rōpū kua tai mai ki rāhui pōkeka nei ki te kimi māramatanga mo te mate uruta.
Well, you know, our gang members, whether society likes it or not, are a part of our community, and they're a big part of our community. You know, if we didn't have something specific for them where they could all come wearing whatever they choose to wear, representing who they are, then they wouldn't have come. And this is a message that we want to get to all of society.
Ko tahi taku kōrero tēnei rā, kia werohia ki tēnei rongoa ārai mate. He raru kei te haere mai, tūturu he raru kei te haere mai, tēnei mate korona kei te rerere haere i tāmaki. Ko tāua tērā, ka whakapānei tērā raru kia tāua. Nō reira, werohia ki tēnei rongoa i tēnei rangi tonu.
Wow, I mean, that was some really, really rich kōrero that went on. You know, what I loved about it is that no questions were filtered, and they are the type of questions that you see thrown over social media, thrown over Facebook, and we got some really clear, straight up answers from our team of experts today. You know, me personally, it actually shows just exactly how important this vaccination is.
We should have been reaching out and having conversation with community and being able to talk about your concerns or your questions.
Make a fully informed choice. You know, don't just get your research from social media. Don't just get your research from Facebook. Actually make a fully informed choice. And that was what today was about. You know, basically, if you haven't already got that vaccination, it's because you're hesitant, you know. And we've got heaps of our whānau that are saying, well, it's still in trial. We're just waiting to see what's going to happen. But what worries me is while they wait to see what happens, they may take that back to their kuia, back to their kaumatua, you know, and that concerns me. Our young people, yeah, they'll probably be fine, they'll probably fight that, but it's what they pass on without, you know, while they're asymptomatic, while they don't actually even know that they have got it, because nobody would intentionally pass on COVID to their loved one.
There's some kai over here. Maybe whakamākamana kai over here, and that we all one whānau here today.
But I thought that Paitoa today was absolutely honourable. The way he spoke to his team and to the other gang members who came together today was an outstanding presentation. His point today was, it's really up to you, but here are some of the things that I've experienced in my life as the head of the kingdom. So I thought his presentation was outstanding.
You know, like I said to the rangatiras here, I says, you know, people look up to you for guidance and direction, and you have to take that into consideration. If you choose that, if you choose not to, well then you have to let them know it's up to them to make their own decisions and choices about it as well. You know, whether you choose it or whether you not choose it is not a wrong answer.
Hana rā whiti maipi, mo Aukaha.